Abangan namin special guest.
Ako kasi when it comes to concerts, it's an avenue not just for me to perform, but also an avenue for new artists to be introduced. So as of now, wala tayong big name artists who will be part of the concert. But there's this one artist who I am trying to help out, to share the stage with me. Her name is Mary Anjoli. She is an Ilongga artist, and in any way that I can, I try my best to help these young artists. Kasi I was once a struggling artist, and hindi ko makakalimutan yung mga artists na nag-share ng stage nila sa akin. Of course, unang-una lang yung sa Lucha was the first one who guested a nobody, a Jed Madela, sino yan? Ganon. And then there was Regine, there was Martin, there was Gary. Yan, sila unti-unti, they shared their stage with a complete newbie. So, ngayon, gusto ko namang mag-give back and take this platform of mine and share it sa mga baguhang artists.
Ikaw naman,
ako naman.
Discover.
At saka hindi ko rin makakalimutan yung hindi ako ginest.
Ay!
Joke lang. Hindi kasi may mga gano'n na parang, uy, guess mo naman to new artist. Sino yan? Wala namang following yan, mga gano'n. Syempre nga, di ba bago. But, it's just a joke. I remember those moments and it makes me more, it makes what I've achieved now more, mas may meaning.
Yeah.
Kasi pinaghirapan talaga, hindi yung talagang, it wasn't served to me on a plate, di ba? I really worked hard for it.
Tsaka yung mga big names na nag-guest ka, it wasn't because friendship lang, it was because they believed in you.
Tsaka wala pa, hindi pa kami friends noon. It was more of, Lani was, we had the same manager before, si Tito Ronnie Henares, and then, Tito Ronnie would refer me to Regine, who was his artist before. So, word of mouth. So, and they would see me singing sa mga bars before. And Martin first saw me in a bar, singing in a bar. So, alam mo yun, talagang very organic. Hindi siya social media based.
Yeah.
It was very organic. People saw me because they were there at the right time or right place.
And it was because of your skills din talaga. Kaya naman, they really guested you and they felt the need to introduce you to more people. Pag more people should see this. Parang gano'n yung mindset.
And I'm grateful. I'm super grateful for that.
And now we have our next question na ating makikinig from our friend from the media. Yes, well, go ahead, sir.
Hello, magandang hapon. And Jet, good afternoon. Robert from the Manila Bulletin. So Jet, confirm ko na, tama ba may connection kayo ng mga superhero figurines?
Yes, I'm a toy collector. Well, I started as a toy collector and now I'm also a toy designer, an art toy designer. So I'm very active in the collectible industry. And lately lang nakatapos lang ng ToyCon 2025 and I was part of it. I had an area there where I showcased lahat ng mga gawa ko ng mga toys.
Ano yung latest na ginawa mo, like design na?
The latest one that I released is Voodoo Boy. He is a self-character na kinreate ko in 2009. It started as a sketch. Tapos nakita ng mga kaibigan kong collector at art toy designers. Sabi nila sa akin, why don't you make it into an art toy? So eventually nag-evolve na siya from a sketch to an actual art toy.
Is it being sold abroad din? Or dito lang sa
dito lang siya, dito siya lahat. But I also have buyers from abroad. But we try to figure out paano padala kasi minsan mas mahal pa yung shipping kesa sa actual toy. But it's nice. It's nice. It's another avenue for me to share a part of me aside from my music through my art toys.
So aside from music, that's what's keeping you busy.
Yes.
Pero Jet, second question, so gaano kasaya ang puso mo these days now that your birthday is approaching and saan nanggagaling inspiration mo these days?
I don't know. I just feel so light and happy now na I've unloaded a lot of negativities. Yun nga, iba pala talaga na you look your mindset. Kumbaga ang mindset mo, you choose to do good and you choose to transform anything negative into something positive, ganun. So mindset lang talaga. Inspiration, of course, the people who have been with me since day one. Yung mga sincere talaga na since nagsimula ako hanggang ngayon. Of course, yung Tribe of Jed, yung Team Jed Madela, yung Mad Creatives, especially yan si Ate Flor, na I'm sure sikat na sikat yan. Yung aking nagsimula as my PA, and now she handles everything for me now. These are the people. I see Therese, who started as a fan when she was 9 years old. Nanonood siya ng concert ko. That was one of her first concerts.
Wow.
Ayan siya. And she decided to get into film because one of her dreams was to just shoot a music video of me. And then now she takes all my videos, all my vlogs, everything. She follows me around, my reels, and she's part of Mad Creatives now. So.
And how old is she na?
She's 75. No, just kidding.
29?
29 na
So
siya.
20 years na siya nakasuporta sa'yo.
Oo, 20 years na rin. Si Ate Flor, ganun din. She just met me in the hallway of ABS doing ASAP. Kasi dati wala akong assistant. I would bring my stuff and she would just meet me and get my things and help me out. So these are the people who saw me since step one. And these are the kind of people na they're worth working hard for. Na parang kung gusto mo na mag-give up, isipin mo lang yung mga tao na hindi na-give up sa'yo. So, yun ang mga taong talaga nagbibigay inspirasyon sa akin.
And last question, birthday wish.
Birthday wish, gusto kong tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung career ko as a singer, as a performer, and more opportunities, not just here in the Philippines, but all over the world. I feel that I still have a lot to give. So, ayun, yung pinapray ko lagi na healthy ako. And, the people around me, especially my family, my parents, na, kasi kung wala tong mga taong to, I wouldn't have the drive. So, yun yung pinaka-dream ko and my wish is to just conquer more opportunities na sana mas madami pang dumating.
Okay, thank you, and nakakanta sa
Thank you po. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sir Robert of Manila Bulletin. Thank you very much. Ang dami natin na-unlock doon sa kanyang question. Yes. So, syempre, hindi pwede wala tayong advance birthday greeting for Mr. Jed Padela. So, everybody, let's greet Jed a happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Everybody! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
One more time! Happy birthday to you!
Pinakain ko ang kandila, yes. By the way, shout out to Miss Love Andaya. Ay!
Love Kapulong!
Love Kapulong! Sorry, iba pa si Andaya. Miss Love Kapulong! Thank you so much! Okay, so pa. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you very much!
Yay!
Thank you!
Ano ang iyong birthday wish, of course, Jen?
Ayun na, birthday wish, good health, not just for me, but for everybody I love. And more opportunities na makatungtong sa stage, not just here here sa Pilipinas, but all over the world. And yun lang talaga yung gusto ko. I just wanna sing. Just wanna sing.
And we love watching you sing. We love hearing your music. So, for all of us, for all of your fans, what is your message to them before saying goodbye? Go
Yes,
ahead.
I just want to thank everybody. Maraming salamat talaga sa suporta ninyo. I see a lot of your posts on social media. Nababasa ko lahat yun. And I really appreciate everybody who they go out of their way to let me know that I am appreciated. And that's one thing that I really want. I just want to know that I'm okay. I just want to know that people still want to hear me sing. People want to watch me perform, and I'm accepted in the industry. So maraming salamat. And as what I always say, as long as there are people, kahit isa lang yan or dalawa, na gustong makinig sa akin at manood sa akin, mag-perform at kumanta, I will continue to sing for you. So maraming salamat.
I know you appreciate so much yung mga nandun since day one, but for those who might be seeing you for the first time today, lalo na yung mga nag-aabang din for our next episode, what is your message to them? Invite them to follow you on social media where you sing sometimes.
Yes,
diba?
I do. I live stream, I sing, and I take requests. And so please do check out all my social media accounts. Ayun pala. Saan ba tayo? Wait lang. All my social media accounts. Andyan na ako pasulpot lagi. So please follow me. And also, I'd like to take this opportunity din magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa atin. Of course, MWell, thank you so much. Athena Prince, B Hotel, Chic, Cinderella Drip, Sure, distributed by Audiophile, Components, Amaya View, and Enyong's Bistro, Royal Ira, Food Express, Faces and Curves, Dentaderm, the Mother Base, Bench, thank you so much para sa ating mga regalo sa mga press friends natin. Thank you very much. Also to Star Magic, thank you. It's Showtime and ASAP. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And magkita-kita po tayo sa concert ko, Superhero at the Music Museum, July 5, 8 p.m. po yan. Tickets are already available at Ticketful. Kita-kita tayo.
Yes, grab your tickets now, guys! Again,
Thank you.
congratulations sa iyong shows, pati sa abroad.
Oh yes, meron akong Birmingham Barrio Fiesta, July 13, and July 12, kasama ko din si Jackie Girl, Ate Girl Jackie, sa Birmingham, same event. And the Superhero concert is also going to be in the United States. July 18 in Los Angeles, July 20 Las Vegas, July 26 Vacaville, and ayun, just go to my social media accounts para makita niyo yung details.
Busy July, pati August.
And August, Bravo! August 23, Bravo together with Between Escalante and Sofronia Vasquez. At magkakaroon din ng tour. Abangan ninyo ang tour ng Bravo. Ayun.
Wow, grabe. Vocal powerhouses. We can't wait to see that. But of course, again, July 5, Superheroes at Music Museum, Jet Madela. Everyone, get your tickets now from Ticket World. Thank you very much, everyone. To everyone watching.